Black quantum futurism is a new approach to living and experiencing reality by way of the manipulation of space-time in order to see into possible futures and or collapse space-time into a desired future in order to bring about that future's reality. This vision and practice derives its facets, tenets, and qualities from quantum physics, futurist traditions, and Black African cultural traditions of consciousness, time, and space. At the point where these three traditions collide exists a creative plane that allows for the ability of African-descended people to actually see into, create, or choose the impending future. The term Black, as used in Black quantum futurism, is not only referring to skin pigmentation, race, lineage, and cultural identity. Black in BQF encompasses each of those complicated phenomena, but it is also referring to the blackness that permeates deep space, what is commonly known as dark matter. It encompasses the blackness or darkness that permeates mental space and inner space. It refers to the light-absorbing darkness of melanin and the speed of darkness which surpasses that of light by not needing to move at all. Future, as used in Black quantum futurism, does not only rely on a specified distance, if you will, into the future. The future is relative, an ever-forward moving point, and can be as spaced out or as close as one chooses to define it, i.e. the next second, the next day, and the next decade. Before we lived through yesterday and found ourselves in today, the future was today. Futurism, alternatively known as futurology and future studies, refers to the act of theorizing or envisioning possible, probable, and preferable futures. Much in the way that historical study seeks to tell stories of the past or some approximation to the past as experienced by a privileged few, futurism attempts to not only envision what is to come, but to understand what about the world is likely to continue and what about the world could plausibly change. Futurism seeks a systematic and pattern-based understanding of past and present and to determine the likelihood of future events and trends. The most relevant practice and theory of futurism for our purposes is Afrofuturism. The quantum aspect of BQF incorporates quantum physics, the branch of physics which studies behavior of matter and energy at the atomic and molecular micro levels of existence. The theory provides a mathematical description for some of the strange behaviors and interactions that physical phenomena at this level exhibits, such as wave-particle duality, the ability of light to act as both a wave and a particle, quantum superposition, and other aspects of quantum physics.